Friends, welcome to exam preparation. In today's session, we're gonna see a fast math tricks in square root. How to find a square root of a number. So using the tricks, we can calculate the square root in less than 10 seconds. Okay. In the starting, you can find the value of square root in 10 seconds, and if you practiced well, and when you expect with the square root tricks, you can calculate the square root in 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, that's a tricks that will help you in many part of the competitive examinations. Okay, let's quickly see an exam point of view tricks. Okay, so this trick will help you only on the perfect square values. I hope that you know what is perfect square, that if a number is exactly a square of a number, that is perfect square. 16 is a perfect square, that is it is a whole number 4. So if you take 22, so you will get the root value as 4 point something. So this is not a perfect square value. So 22 is not a perfect square value. Okay. So the perfect square value is like 25 is a perfect square and 36 is a perfect square value. Okay. So by seeing a number, so you can know that it is a perfect square or not a perfect square. Okay, so this trick will help you only on the perfect square. Okay, let's see an important rule that you have to remember for the tricks. Okay, so if a number is ending with 1, so for example if you take 121, so it is a perfect square of 11. Okay, so if a number is ending with 1, so I'm talking about the unit digit. Okay, so we here we're going to consider about the unit digit of the number. Okay, if a number is ending with 1, so that the square root of the value also ending with 1. So this kind of rules, here we're going to see if a number is ending with 1, the square root of the number will be 1 or 9. Why? Because the perfect square 1 as the square root of 1, and also the square value of 9 is 81, so it is ending with 1. So 1 9 is the square root of the number ending 1. Okay, and next one, if a number the perfect square value is ending with 4, then the square root value will be 2 or 8. Okay, so 64, 8 square is 64. So the perfect square ending with 4 when it is a 8 square. Okay, so the number is ending with 8 also be a perfect the square root of 4. Okay, and then 9. So same as for 9, we will get 3 and 7. Okay, that is ending with 9. So same as like for 6, we got 4. 4 square is 16 and 6 square 36. So two numbers ending with 6. Okay, and for 5, that is 5. So only 1. So these are the important rules that you have to remember to use these tricks. Okay, so let's take an example. uh, Take 961. Find the square root of this number 961. So the first step is take the last digit. This is 91. Sorry, 961. The last digit is 1. Okay, so if a number is ending with 1, the square root of the number will be, as per the rule, we will get 1 or 9. So this has the two numbers 1 or 9. Okay, and eliminate this digit, and the first digit 9, you have to find the nearest square of the first digit. Okay, so it is 9, so it is 3 square, it is a perfect square of 3. Okay, so the number will be 3 31 or 39. Because of the last digit is ending 1, so it has a two possibilities, that 31 or 39. Okay. So how will you find the perfect square from this? So you got 3 as a perfect square for this number 9. So the next number you will find 4, multiply with that, you will get 12. So when you compare the 9 with this 12, 9 is less than 12. Okay, so you have to take the smaller digit, the second digit will be smaller. Okay, so 39 will be eliminated and your answer will be 31. Okay, so another option, you we got two options, that 31 and 39. You can take the mid value 35. You know how to square a number ending with 5. So this is 12 to 5. So 35 square is equal to 1225. So obviously 961 is not going to be a 39. Okay, it could be, it is less than 35 square. So obviously 31 is the right answer. This is how we have to calculate the square root of a number. Okay, so let's take another example, like 1024. Here we have to take the last two digit apart and first two digit as a separate. Okay, so the last number we got is 4. The unit digit is 4. Then as per the rule, the number ending with 4 as 2 square root, that is 2 and 8. Okay, so obviously we have two possibilities in the square root, that is 2 and 8. So, and the first two digit we have to find the nearest square root of the number, that is 10 is the nearest square value of 3 square. So obviously the number will be 3. Okay, so from this you can find the exact square root of a number, that is 1024. We got two options. So as I said earlier, so now we have to find the, we have this number 3, the next number 4, we have to multiply with that, so you will get 12. So now compare the number 10 with this 12. So 10 is less than 12, so we have to take a smaller number, that is 2 as your unit digit of a square root. So obviously 32 is a answer. So other thing out you can compare is, so that you can take the mid value from 32 and 38. You know the 35 square is 1225. So 1225 is 35 square. We are got 1024. So it is less than 35 square. Obviously it is less than 35 square, so it is 32. So it's not going to be a 38 square. Okay, so this is how you can compare the square root value. Okay, so let's see another example, that is 4489. So the last two digits separate and first two digit separate, you can separate it, and the first digit you can take the nearest square root value of this number 44. If you take 44, the nearest square root is 6 square. Okay, 6 square is 36. And then you have to find the unit digit, which is 9. So 9 obviously ending with for two numbers, that is 3 and 7. As per the rule, 3 and 7 is this square root of the number which is ending with 9. So we have 3 and 7 as a unit digit. and we got the nearest square value of 44 as 6. Okay, so the next step, we can take the mid value as from 63 and 67, 65. We know the value of 65 square, that is 4225. Okay, so the 4225 is less than 4489. So obviously 63 won't be an answer, and 67 is the square root of this number. Okay, so we'll see the next example. So can you able to solve, find the square root of 6724? Okay, try it. Can you able to follow the tricks? Try by yourself. So I'll just write down the answer. Okay, you got 82 as your answer. So if you got 82, so you are doing, and you can able to follow the tricks. Okay, so let's see another example with the 5 digit. So before that we see only the 4 digit values, and now we have to find the 4 digit value of a square root, that is 1225. What is the square root of this number? The square root of the number, first step, just eliminate the last two digit aside. Okay, and first three digit. So can you able to find the nearest value of the square root? So it is, for 132 the nearest value is 11. Okay, so you got 11 as the nearest value of the square root, actually perfect square of 132. And for 25, the number obviously ending with 5 as only one number, that is 5. So obviously your square root will be 115 for this number. If you know how to square a number with ending with 5, so you can directly see the number and you can answer it. And then, so we have another example, it is 20164. What is the square root of this number? As I said, we can take the last digit is ending with 4, so it has the two possibility, that is 2 and 8. Okay, and eliminate this number, so you have 201. So what is the nearest square of 201? So 14 square is, 196, and 15 square is 225. So 14 is the nearest value. So 142 or 148 could be the answer. So as I said, so we can take the mid value from these two numbers, 142 and 148. We can take 140 square, that is 14 into 50, 210, and 25. So this is less than, sorry, it is greater than 20164. So obviously 148 is not the answer, and 142 is the exact square root of this number. So other take other tricks here is, we got 14 as the nearest value of 201, and you can just compare the 14 with multiplying the next number 15, so you will get to 10. So 210 is greater than 2 1. So 201. 201 is lesser than 2 1 0. So we have to take the smaller number. So that is 142. So this is how you can calculate the square root of a number. So any given number, for the perfect square you can find the square root of this number. Hope you like this session, and we have a more session and tricks will be coming soon in our next videos that will help you to find the square root of a different and non-perfect squares and the cube roots. Okay, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends who are preparing for the competitive examination, and do subscribe our channel to get more videos related to exam preparation, and comment your queries, and so I'm ready to help you on this anytime. Thank you.